about farm animals in English and Chinese. Are you ready? Cow. Can you say cow?
牛
Pig. Can you say pig?
猪
Chicken. Can you say chicken?
鸡
Sheep. Can you say sheep?
绵羊
Horse. Can you say horse?
马
Duck. Can you say duck?
鸭
Wow! Let's remember them one more time. Cow.
牛
Pig.
猪
Chicken.
鸡
Sheep.
绵羊
Horse.
马
Duck.
鸭
Great job! Hi parents! Don't miss our free printable fruits and vegetables learning kit perfect for 1 to 3-year-olds. Click the link and enter $0 to download for free. No payment needed! Remember to subscribe this channel and hit the like button. See you in the next video.